Start by navigating to the side menu and clicking on Settings. Then, select Business to open the Business Setup page. In the General tab, fill in your business name, contact details, and any other required information. Next, go to the Tax Rate section and enter your tax percentage. Move to the Invoice Configuration tab and set your maximum and minimum discount limits. In Printing Configuration, select the printing options that best suit your business needs. Under Cash Drop Configuration, set your cash drop threshold and warning limit. Then go to the Cash Drawer configuration and choose your preferred settings. In Security Configuration, enable the options necessary for your business's security. In Tender Configuration, select the payment methods you want to accept. To display custom visuals on your secondary screen, go to Secondary Screen Configuration and upload your desired images. In Purchase Order, enable the standard email body template if you want to use a predefined format for vendor emails. For employee work hours, adjust the settings in Time Tracking Configuration. If your business offers delivery, enable the relevant options in Shipping Configuration and fill in the origin, zones, and methods details. Finally, in Payment Processing, for online payments, connect your Stripe account with LinkCell. If you need assistance, call the LinkCell support number. For in-store payment processing, send the required documents to us and we'll set it up for you or contact our support team. That's it. Your new business is now set up in LinkCell and ready to operate.